The Beam wallet stands out as one of the most reliable tools for staking in the cryptocurrency world. Staking on Beam allows users to earn passive income while supporting the network's security and operations. Among the options available, the official Beam wallet is the most recommended for staking due to its security features, user-friendly interface, and direct integration with the Beam blockchain. Setting up the wallet is straightforward. After downloading the wallet, users need to create a secure passphrase and back up the recovery phrase. Security is critical because any compromise can result in the loss of funds. Once the wallet is set up, staking requires transferring Beam coins into the wallet. The staking process in Beam is designed to be energy efficient, and it does not require the constant power consumption associated with traditional mining. The wallet supports automatic staking, which allows your coins to generate rewards over time without manual intervention. On average, users can expect annual staking rewards ranging from 3% to 7% in Beam, depending on network activity and the amount staked. Transactions and staking rewards are transparent and can be easily monitored within the wallet interface. Another advantage of the Beam wallet is its compatibility with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile devices. This flexibility ensures that staking can continue securely even when switching devices. The wallet also features advanced privacy options, ensuring that transactions remain confidential while still participating fully in network staking. For anyone serious about staking Beam, using the official wallet provides the best combination of security, convenience, and efficiency. The wallet's design makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users to participate in staking while earning consistent rewards. Overall, the Beam wallet remains the top choice for staking due to its robust security, seamless functionality, and reliable performance in the Beam ecosystem.